Hai, welcome back again with me, Ajeng Paramarta Ramadhani. After we review several articles about poetry, now in this video I will explain more detail about poetry, but not only poetry, I will explain also about prose. I think all of you understand or know what is poetry and what is prose. In Indonesia we know poetry is puisi and prose is prosa. And then in this video, I will tell you about those words, those about poetry and prose, the differences, definition, the relationship. I think all of you will have some question. Is there a relationship between prose and poetry, or maybe what is the relationship about that, and then what is the function of the prose in poetry. I think all of you have those questions, so in this video we will explain one step by step about prose and poetry. Okay, now I will tell you the definition about poetry and prose. First is poetry. Poetry is a form of text that often use figurative language, rhythm, rhyme, and a specific structure. And the second is prose. Prose is a narrative or descriptive form of writing that use colloquial language without a specific rhythmic pattern. And then we will tell about the relationship between poetry and prose. Poetry and prose are related as they are both forms of experience in literature and language. However, each has different characteristics and purposes, so they complement each other in helping humans convey ideas, feelings, and stories. The relationship between poetry and prose. The first is language expression. Both use language to convey meaning, although the way they are conveyed is different. Poetry is often aesthetic and emotional, while prose is more focused on logical and clear narrative. And the second is purpose of literature. Both aim to convey a message, although their approaches differ. Poetry tends to express deep emotion, imagination, or philosophy. And then prose is more suitable for explaining stories, ideas, or information in a structural way. Okay, and then I think you still confused how to indicate what is the poetry and what is the prose, or maybe you still confused what is the purpose of poetry and prose. It is the same purpose or no, and maybe you still confused is purpose and it is prose and poetry is same, like have rhythmic and rhyme, or maybe they have same aspect, like about emotional, about feeling, and etc. So I will tell you now the differences between poetry and prose. So, differences between poetry and prose. Poetry and prose are two distinct forms of writing, each with its own characteristic and purpose. And now I will explain more details of the differences between poetry and prose, and I will give you 6 differences between poetry and prose. The first one, structure. Poetry is often written and in lines and stanzas with a specific rhythm, matter of pattern of sound. It may include rhyme and alliteration and other stylistic devices that enhance its musical quality. The structure is often flexible, allowing for creative expression through form. And then prose. Prose is written in sentences and paragraphs without a specific rhythm or pattern. It follows conventional grammar and syntax rules, focusing on clear and straightforward communication. Prose can be formal or informal, but it is typically more rigid and structured compared to poetry. And second is language and style. Poetry use highly expressive, compact, and often figurative language. Metaphors, smiles, symbolism, and other literary devices are common in poetry, allowing poets to convey deep emotion and complex ideas in a few words. And poets often manipulate the language to evoke feelings and moods. And the second is prose. Prose is more literal and less condensed than poetry. It tends to use straightforward language that focuses on clarity and directness, while prose can also be rich in descriptive language. It generally avoids the heightened emotional tone and figurative expression commonly found in poetry. And the next is the purpose. Poetry. The main purpose of poetry is often to evoke emotion, explore abstract concepts, or express individuals' perspective in a creative and artistic manner. It often seeks to stir the imagination and connect with the readers on an emotional or intellectual levels. And then about prose. Prose tends to focus on telling stories, presenting information, or explaining concepts in a more factual or realistic way. It is commonly used in novel, essays, newspaper, and article where the goal is to inform, entertain, or present a narrative. And the next difference is length. First is poetry. Poems are generally shorter in length compared to prose. They convey emotion or ideas concisely and can range from brief lines to lengthy epics. The length of a poem depends on the form. It's like a sonnet, haiku, or a free verse, but they are often more condensed. And next is prose. Prose is typically longer than poetry. It includes novels, short stories, essays, and articles where ideas are elaborated, often and detailed more extensively. And the next difference about examples. Poetry A famous example of poetry is William Shakespeare. I think you all of you know about this about William Shakespeare. Like, shall I compare the tea to a summer's day, which use rhyme, meter, and figurative language to express love and beauty. And the prose, a classic example of prose is Charles Dickens. Example is A Tale of Two Cities, which is a novel written in sentences and paragraphs with a more straightforward narrative style. And the next difference, I think it is the last difference for me, emphasize on sound. Poetry often places a significant emphasis on sound, using rhythm, meter, and rhyme to create musically. The sound of the words is an important part of the poem's overall effect and meaning. And prose, while prose can include descriptions of sound or use sound devices occasionally, it doesn't focus on sound pattern as poetry does. The focus in prose is more on narrative and like informational content. So from the 6 differences, the main differences between poetry and prose lies in their structure, language, purpose, and style. Poetry is more expressive, compact, and artistic, often using figurative language and focused on evoking emotion. But prose, on the other hand, is more straightforward, logical, and often longer, used to convey ideas, tell stories, or present information clearly. But both from have their unique qualities, and each can be powerful in its own right depending on the intent of the writer. Yeah, and then after I explain the differences between poetry and prose, so I think you will understand. Maybe you get some information. Is poetry and prose have differences like the structure. The structure of poetry and prose is different. Like poetry have a rhythm, rhyme, and then using feeling and emotion. But prose is different. Prose not using all of those because prose only give the narrative like essay, newspaper, and then short story, and etc. So I think after I explain about the differences, I hope you know. You will. I hope you know. You can compare the poetry and prose. So what about your feeling after watching my video? I hope you can distinguish what is the poetry, what is the prose, and then I hope my video have a benefit for you. And then stay tuned for the other knowledge videos. And if you have any question, if you want to ask something, you can contact me by WhatsApp, or you can ask question in the column komentar, so I will make video for your question. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.